In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a limit order on TradingView. By the end, you'll feel confident placing a precise buy or sell order right from your chart. A limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay to buy, or the exact price you're willing to accept to sell. It's perfect when you want control over your entry or exit without chasing the market. First, you'll need to have your broker connected. TradingView works with a range of supported brokers, and you'll place live orders through that connection. If your broker isn't connected, TradingView won't be able to route your order. Make sure your brokerage account is active and funded, and that your broker is supported on TradingView. Click the Trade button and select your broker to connect to it. You'll typically see a secure sign-in window from your broker. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize the connection. Once connected, you should see your broker's name and account status reflected in the trading panel, confirming that TradingView is ready to send orders on your behalf. Open the trading pane by clicking the Trade button at the bottom of the platform. This panel shows your connected broker, your accounts if you have more than one, and access to the order ticket. Think of this as your command center for creating and managing orders without leaving the chart. Now, either select Buy or Sell, then go to the Limit tab. Choose Buy if you want to purchase at or below your chosen price, and choose Sell if you want to sell at or above your chosen price. The Limit tab ensures you're setting a specific price instead of using a market order, which fills at the best available price. Next, enter the details of your limit order. Type the limit price you want, keeping in mind the instrument's tick size. Set the quantity or number of contracts or shares, and review any time in force options like day or good till canceled if your broker offers them. You can use the price ladder or click directly on the chart to help pre-fill the price field. Double-check the symbol, account, and side before proceeding to avoid accidental entries. Finally, click the Buy or Sell button. Your broker may show a brief confirmation, review it, and approve. You'll see your pending limit order appear on the chart and in the orders list, showing exactly where it will execute if price reaches your level. And there you go. Your limit order is live on TradingView. That's all.